Ice cutters confronted severe weather conditions while harvesting ice from frozen lakes, a crucial practice for food preservation long before modern refrigeration. Their dedicated efforts established the foundation for contemporary food storage methods. Similarly, knocker-uppers played a vital role in urban environments, ensuring individuals rose on time for their jobs. Armed with long poles or pea-shootings, they braved harsh weather to fulfill this essential duty. In another example, the Radium Girls, young women who painted watch dials, endured grave health repercussions from their exposure to radioactive substances. This tragedy ultimately catalyzed significant reforms in workplace safety standards. Moreover, breaker boys, often as young as 8, toiled in perilous conditions to extract coal from rock. Their plight underscored the exploitation of child labor during the industrial era as they faced long hours and health hazards. Wartime messengers, during World War II, navigated dangerous terrains to deliver crucial information, ensuring military operations ran smoothly. Their courage and commitment were integral to maintaining effective communication throughout the conflict. Log drivers also encountered treacherous conditions while maneuvering logs down rivers, demonstrating remarkable agility and skill. Their work was indispensable to the timber industry before machinery largely took over. The process of scuttling involved carefully removing hazardous materials to ensure ships sank safely, which was critical for preserving navigable waterways. This meticulous work was fundamental to maritime safety. However, scuttlers faced substantial risks, including the threat of drowning and exposure to toxic substances, shedding light on the perils associated with their specialized role. The legacy of scuttlers has significantly influenced modern ship disposal practices, offering safer methods for managing decommissioned vessels compared to the techniques of the past. Workers in military supply production similarly confronted dangers, including exposure to toxic chemicals and the ever-present risk of accidental explosions, often resulting in injuries and, tragically, fatalities. Chimney sweeps, frequently young boys, endured severe health risks from soot exposure and perilous working conditions, yet their efforts were crucial for preventing fires in residential homes. Fire lookouts played an indispensable role in wildfire prevention, enduring isolation and harsh elements. Their diligent observations were foundational to the modern systems we use for fire detection. During the 1940s, leech collectors endured painful bites while harvesting leeches for medical uses, underscoring their vital contributions to early healthcare despite the significant health risks involved. Matchstick makers faced severe health issues from handling toxic chemicals such as phosphates jaw, highlighting the perils of industrial jobs and the pressing need for improved workplace safety regulations. Asbestos miners operated under hazardous conditions, often unaware of the severe lung diseases they were risking. This reality emphasizes the hidden dangers of mining and the necessity for safety reforms across industries. Early aviation test pilots embraced substantial risks while flying untested aircraft, relying on their instincts to identify potential design flaws. Their bravery was crucial for the advancements in aviation technology. The challenges faced by early aviators included mechanical failures and unpredictable weather, making each flight a high-stakes endeavor, particularly during and after World War II. These obstacles were pivotal in shaping aviation safety protocols. Ultimately, the legacy of early aviation innovations continues to influence contemporary aviation technologies, ensuring that safety and efficiency remain at the forefront of the industry's evolution. Their groundbreaking efforts paved the way for the advancements we witness today.